Hello, my name is Aurelia Huertas. I'm currently a math teacher at Meadowwoods Middle School. I am teaching algebra and pre-algebra, and I'm certified in mathematics 5 through 9. I have a bachelor's degree in business and organizational leadership, and I did plan on working in corporate offices, but the pandemic changed my plans, and now I'm a teacher, but it's all right because I love it. I'm a plant lover. It all started with one succulent over quarantine, and that's now turned into about 40 different plants, two mango trees, and an avocado tree. Majority of my plants are little babies because I'm starting to grow them. I also do archery sometimes in my free time. I don't do hunting or anything with it. It's just practice shooting. I have a 30-pound recurve bow, and that's one of my hobbies. I'd say my technology level is pretty average. I did take a tech course during my business degree, but I don't really remember everything. I can get by with what I know and I can help others, but nothing more than that. I think I'm just pretty basic and Windows and stuff, but don't ask me about Excel. I can't really help you that much there anymore. All right. Thank you for listening, and I hope to meet the rest of you.